Cause how long y'all braids last? It's been literally not even 2 weeks yet. Like, can y'all see the snow? It's a dry shampoo. And I was really thinking about trying that, but that's not really gonna solve the problems. The wash set dry shampoo with light aloe fragrance and natural deep clean for all hair types. So this might be something I touch up with once I am done putting the curly pieces in. But for now, so dirty, y'all. Spring cleaning is in, so we're gonna use the Function of Beauty clarifying shampoo balm that I can pour into here. It's tea tree scalp treatment. Oops. So we can get some of the buildup off of my hair. So just go in like this, through and through. Washed my braids for the first time, y'all, and this happened. Woo, child, that wash was amazing. Okay. That fresh scalp. Ooh. Look at those braids. Okay. Scalp clean, braids clean. Like the braid, y'all, was black. The water black. Okay. So leave-in treatment. Okay, so after the leave-in treatment, I think I'm gonna do my ends because I don't want any more hair to fall out. So I'm gonna start braiding this. All right, ends done. A little blue magic because you know I can't have hair. Lay them hairs down, okay? We're gonna worry about these edges later. Braid maintenance, how you keep your hair from not being trash. And then mousse.